Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to use digits to automate bill payments. Automating bill payment with digits helps to ensure that your essential expenses are covered on time without manual efforts. Let me show you what to do. So first, open the digit app. Launch the digit app on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're in, go to the bills section. Tap the menu icon or profile button and select bills or bill pay, of course, depending on the app version. Next, link your biller. Add the companies or services that you want to pay, such as utilities, phone, or credit cards. You may need account numbers and login credentials for verifications. Next, set up payment schedules. Choose when and how often you want Digit to pay each bill. Could be monthly, bi-weekly, or on specific dates. Enable auto pay from savings or bank. So just select the funding source, Digit saving balance, or your linked checking account. Confirm that you want Digit to make payments automatically. Next, monitor payments. Track payment statuses within the Bills tab. You're also going to receive confirmation messages when payments are scheduled or sent. Automating bill payments with Digit ensures peace of mind and helps to prevent late fees while aligning with your overall saving strategy. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you in the next one.